welcome to my video project. I'll be discussing computer science discourse community. I will be going step by step on the four types of communication, on how we communicate with one another, and how we reach out to the world. First things first, I'll be showing you guys our first type of communication within a discourse community. That type of communication are forums. Forums are web pages where people share their ideas, they share their innovations to make the world a better place. They are not only in English but in many different languages all throughout the world. Here are a few examples. Our second type of communication is CNET. CNET is a computer-based news site that updates our discourse community daily on new technologies and innovation. This benefits our community because it keeps us informed, it keeps us updated with new technologies. It is extremely important for our community due to the fact that technologies change by the day and everyone always wants to be up to date with technologies. Companies like Apple, Microsoft, Google, Samsung always update their systems and release new product. CNET becomes our number one news site to keep us informed. This is what keeps our community in such a great communication basis. Let's take a look at CNET. Hi guys, I'm going to show you guys a third type of communication within this community, that's being video communication through YouTube. Linus Tech Tips and many other YouTubers that make their content to support and guide us consumers on what to buy by doing products review. They provide us with tutorials and many other tools to succeed in using our technologies. Here are some examples. Hope you enjoy.
Another way of communication within YouTube would be channels like this, tutorial channels like freecodecamp.org, which teaches how to code in different languages like JavaScript or Python. So basically, what this channel does is they make videos explaining the basics of these languages and how we can learn how to do basic stuff. And this is a great way to teach programming enthusiasts how to code the beginnings of these languages, and they're a great way to engage us within the community of computer science. For example, if you click on this video right here, you can see that it has many views. Like a lot of people interact with it, and they comment about it, what they learn, how much they like the video, and it's a very good way for programmers that to teach us to get to us, and us to learn from that those teachings that they do. So yeah, this is a great way since us in this community we are very interactive with each other. This is a way to keep or that interaction and a way to learn as a whole.
Hi guys, now I'm going to show you guys our fourth type of communication, and that's by far the most important one and most used one to communicate in our Discourse community, and that's code. Coding is a language. What I mean by that, it's not just a regular language like Spanish, English. It's a language that the computer interprets. We write the language, they read it. There's many different types of languages. You have Python, C++, JavaScript, and many more down here. They all have their own rhetoric, but at the end of the day, they all send the same information to the computer. It's just the way you want to interpret it. So here are some examples. I hope you enjoy.
One genre of communication within the computer sciences community would be coding. Coding is a very essential way of communicating within our community due to the fact that many jobs that we aspire require us to know how to code. For example, we need to know at least one language of coding, which are Python, HTML, JavaScript, C++, and there are many more. But yeah, coding is basically us giving the computer information, communicating with the computer in order for the computer to give us output, which can then be used for research and many different things, and creating programs, etc. So this right here is a RPG game that I made for you guys. So it's a you can choose your own path kind of RPG. So for example, I'm play this one. Samuel, okay, your name George. So you can choose your element. So I'm gonna go left. Uh, yes, I'm gonna hop. I'm off. I'm gonna save him. So yeah, this is how it works. So you input in the computer, and then you get an output like this.
Well, guys, those are some examples that I got from the web on people coding, making a program. That's how you know that language that you just saw is what transferred over to the computer, and then the computer they make applications like Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook. That's how those big things are made. And well, yeah, guys, those are my four types of communication. In our Discourse community, there's many values. People help each other. People appreciate each other. They innovate. They're innovators. We always look to the future. And we love technology. Peace.